excited to go on Pixar Pier.
Well, hello, Life Disney and beyond. Welcome. We're here at Disney California Adventure.
We are going to enjoy the park. We are going to eat some things. We're going to be super merry. We're going to have a good old time tonight. I'm excited.
All right, let's go. Look at all these. Alright, so we got Fast Pass for Matterhorn, 7:15. It's like a little after 3 o'clock, so we're gonna hit the DCA.
Yeah, but actually have a lot of like food we haven't eaten here.
Yeah, that's true.
So that's a priority.
Kind of want dessert. We just had a sandwich before we got here, so let's go get a treat over at, where is it at?
Award Wieners.
Oh, just down Buena Vista. We hang a left on Hollywood Boulevard, right?
I like that you're laughing like you're like saying directions.
Yeah, like can you check Waze and see how long it's going to take for us to get there?
Your ride will be 5 minutes in traffic.
That's too long.
We're gonna try the funnel cake fries. They're like Christmassy, like stocking stuffer funnel cake fries.
Okay.
Apparently they're really good. We'll be the judge of that.
You had me at funnel cake. So,
yeah.
And you know what? To be honest, fries, don't have a problem with them.
No, especially ones made of funnel cake.
Yeah, really don't.
Oh, look at the tree! The tree is big.
You know what my favorite part is, though?
The bear? Because it's me?
No, not the bear, but there is the bear. No, not the train.
What?
You're close. You're getting closer, but there's the train.
The airplane?
Nope, this right here. The barn. There's Walt's barn.
He's old-fashioned Mickey.
Yeah, that's the true original Mickey, California or bust.
This tree has like got so much meaning in it.
You look at the present tunnel, the gift tunnel.
Oh, the present tunnel. Dude, you know we're not gonna end up setting a tree up this year because we're just too busy, but if we were, I would make a present.
I want to make a present tunnel, yeah.
I want to make a present tunnel.
Look at the gingerbread guy.
Oh, I love it.
He's getting good lighting right now. He's like, yep.
He's like, I'm just laying out, just browning.
And the DCA Express is delivering all of your holiday packages and gifts, Katie.
And gifts.
Look at the trolley, and you know what the best part about this trolley is? Look, there's Mickey. That thing is cool because it looks very vintage, and I'm sure it's not. There's another trolley. Yeah, definitely a different vibe on this tree, but it's cool.
It appears that our mobile order is ready.
Let's go.
That was really bad. That was really bad.
It was. It's embarrassing. All right, Katie's getting our mobile order here at Award Wieners on Hollywood Boulevard. We can get awesome hot dogs and holiday treats. All right, there's what we're getting right there. Stocking stuffer, funnel cake, fries.
Look how cute the cup is.
Oh yeah, the holiday cup. It's got an old school flair to it.
Thank you, Katie. Thank you.
Mobile order. Look at that. It does look a lot like the picture.
It does. So we do this thing when we order foods here. For the most part, we don't read like a big thing on the description and we just kind of like eat it and find out.
Yeah.
So I don't know what the green sauce is. It's a little concerning.
I think it's probably mint.
It's festive and it looks pretty. But let's find out. I know these are M&Ms and Oreos. That's
we know it was $7.99.
And it was $7.99. Annual passes do apply. And then
I was right. Of course.
It's actually really good. There's so much whipped cream on there. That's good. 2 thumbs up. Someday.
All right, over here by stage 17, you can meet Ralph. Wreck-It Ralph. Look how huge he is. I've seen photos and he's way bigger in person. That's impressive. Vanellope von Schweetz. Look at her. So I guess it's rare that they're together out here, but she's signing autographs to her fans. All right.
I think the trolley is coming.
Is that what that is? There they go.
Bye, Mickey! They were spelling jingle bells, right?
I think so.
We need to run right now because Disney Junior let out.
We gotta go.
Those kids are pumped when they get out of Disney Junior, so we gotta book.
Hi, guys.
Hi! Say hi!
So,
Book it.
yeah, we gotta go, and I got churros in my belly, so I need to work them off. Making our way, just over by Pixar, maybe Garden Grill, Viva Navidad.
I feel like we're just going, like we don't even have a plan.
We're just wandering. It's like, where does your Disney radar take you? Well, it's taking me to the left.
We're entering Festival of Holidays.
Yes, we are.
You want to cut through Pixar Pier? We haven't done that in a while.
All right.
I'm so excited to go on Pixar Pier. That was really
Pretty good. I like that. Yeah.
Give credit where credit is due.
Didn't I have a Pixar one earlier too?
I don't know. Something about exercising.
Oh yeah.
Exercising.
Pixar sizing. When you walk, from one end of Pixar Pier to another, it's kind of far.
It's just Pixar Pier.
Pixar sizing.
Pixar sizing. Like
Yeah.
this. Got it.
Yeah, it's full aerobic exercise.
Yes.
That's what the lamp does. The Luxo lamp. Look.
Yeah.
He's
Doing chin.
He's Pixar sizing right now. Look, stretch it out. There you go, buddy.
Get it.
Exactly.
He does yoga up there.
He does. It's a fine afternoon for an adorable snowman frosted treat. Lemon flavored, yes. Incredicoaster.
4, 3, 2.
Incredicoaster! Hey Katie, let's check in with our friend over here.
Oh, my buddy?
Yeah.
I feel like sometimes I'm this one and sometimes I'm that one.
I think most of the time you aspire to always, it's kind of the true Katie right there.
And this is me when I wake up every morning. It's like, what am I doing with my life?
Tragic. Or that's
Like this, like,
that's also that same one though of like, you wanted to take a half-hour nap and you woke up 5 hours later.
Yeah, you're just like,
You don't know what in the heck's going on.
what day is it?
Yeah, that's this guy.
What day is it?
All right, I'm here at Jesse's Critter Carousel. There seems to be some holiday friends showing up. Hey, Rudolph.
Angry dog.
Look at the sun hitting the wheel.
That's pretty.
There's a reason why they used to call it the sun wheel.
Oh yeah, huh? Look at the new popcorn bucket. That's cute.
Oh, Christmas popcorn bucket.
Oh, look at Woody and Bullseye. That's cute.
Oh, that's smart. Look at that's good. All right, over here at Bing Bong Sweet Stuff, the actual Bing Bong has finally arrived. He was fashionably late. Wanted to make a grand appearance and make sure that the store was in good order. There he is in plush form, but we're gonna go see him in his real form. The rainbows lead us right
That's so
to
pretty.
Bing Bong. There he is.
Copyright candy. Try the caramel, it's delicious. I won first place.
He's fuzzy.
Look at all the candy, Bing Bong. It's just endless.
Oh, it's like rainbowy, sprinkly.
Ooh.
That's cool, huh? I wonder what flavor it is.
You know what's great about Bing Bong, Katie?
Everything? Could you smell? Does it smell like
Yeah.
candy?
It smells like cotton candy because his body is made of cotton candy.
But am I really smelling it?
Yes.
Or is it just like one of those things that makes you think you're
No.
smelling it?
No, it smells like cotton candy because Bing
do you know
Bong.
this?
Look, he's made of cotton candy, and I've heard about it.
Oh, okay.
You gotta remember when Riley was 3, animals were all the rage. The cowboys moved, the horse goes neck. That's all people talked about that.
Bye, Big Mom. We're gonna go see if Viva Navidad's got any Viva for us.
All right.
I don't know if that made any sense. But it did. I would never thought I'd say this again, but I kind of want to go on the Incredicoaster again soon.
As it rumbles by.
Yeah, like, I mean, I really didn't see that coming, but I do.
Well, this might happen.
It was a pleasant experience sitting in the front. It was a little more tame.
Yeah.
It was good.
Look
Ooh,
at the-
Viva Navidad!
Yeah! There comes the world famous confetti vacuum. Love it. You go vacuum. Feliz Navidad. I'm feeling it. Feeling the cheer.
Literally one of the best shows in DCA.
It really is.
Ever.
Because I love seeing the Three Amigos.
Feliz Navidad. And Mickey and Minnie look so cute. And little Donald up there is like, ah!
I think it's Donald's favorite thing to do is that
I think
parade.
so, yeah.
I don't know why it fits his.
It does, because he's with the three caballeros.
Yeah, the sun's going down. It's getting a little chilly.
It is. I'm about to stop and put my jacket on, but look how cute. What is this called now?
Oh, this is Paradise Bay. The sun is setting over Pixar Pier. Look at that.
What kind of socks are you wearing? Now that I have the camera, let's. Whoa!
Rebel.
Let's go to more important things like socks, 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 socks. Little drummer boy. Hold on. Perfect resemblance.
Yeah.
That was perfect.
The vacant eyes.
Yeah, yeah.
They're like shark's eyes.
Let's
Nothing but death in those eyes.
nothing but death. Do you want to go down that way or do you want to go down that way? Probably this way because there's not Festival of Holidays.
Yeah, not
I
festival, but wait for it. Here, ready? Not festival holidays, but festive.
But
Nonetheless.
festive,
Yeah.
nonetheless. You want to maybe stop in the club?
Oh yeah.
I mean,
Club
why not
64?
for Club 64?
Don't say it so loud.
I know, yeah, we don't want everybody to know about Club 64.
But you won't notice that's behind the toy drummer. The elusive
Club 64.
You may see people taking selfies here. There's a reason for that, folks.
Because
The
it's
most
like
exclusive club at DCA.
more
Let alone
exclusive than
Disneyland
33. 100%.
That manhole. That's to throw you off.
Oh, I didn't
You think, oh yeah,
realize.
it's just an industrial part of the park. No. You know what that manhole is?
What?
That is a sensor for the card. You never have to
Oh.
take the card out of your pocket. You just walk up,
And they know.
the door opens.
And if
That's
it's-
how advanced this club is.
Your card is magnetized in your pocket and they
Like-
just
like-
know. I wonder
right.
what happens up there.
If I had a card,
Uh-huh. Boom.
it starts opening as I step.
Dang, that's pretty crazy.
Guys, let's just keep that between us. Okay? Don't spread that around. It's nothing. We don't want to get in trouble.
What? Happy Hanukkah!
Oh, look, there's a menorah. But you know what? They don't have it appropriately lit, do they?
No, because I think we're on the 4th or 5th night right now.
Yeah.
But happy Hanukkah nonetheless.
And-
Three of our favorite things you could ever eat for Festival of Holidays.
That is the spot.
That's the spot.
Winter Sliderland is Winter Happy Land.
Yeah, it is. It is good. But you need to know,
Look
it's
and
especially.
hear how festive this is, Katie.
Wow, this looks nice. Look at all of the.
And you can smell churros as you walk into this
From that
area.
cart.
It's like cinnamon Christmas love.
Oh yeah, that's good stuff right there. Ooh, baby.
Oh.
Look, his sweater's lighting up.
Ho,
Ho, ho, Mr. Bear. Oh my gosh,
The best ugly sweater known to man.
that is so cool.
His size, look.
Just to show you how big he is. Wow. Dang. Dang, he's that tall.
On the way out of DCA, we were just taking a glance at the tree with its lights. Look amazing. That is so cool. But we have to leave. Bye, tree.
Bye.
See you later. On to
Go to Disneyland.
going to Disneyland.